When seeking rest, renewal, and inspiration, you may want to try somewhere that offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and soulful stillness. Hi, this is Marissa B. Welcome to Radiant Living, Inspiring Humanity to Thrive. Please come along with me as I take a special journey to Mexico. Tucked between the Caribbean Sea and the wild whispering jungle, standing about 130 kilometers or 81 miles south of Cancun, Tulum, Mexico feels like a secret world waiting to be discovered. The air is thick with the scent of earth and blooming flowers, while the sounds of tropical birds and rustling leaves create a natural symphony. Vines dangle from ancient trees. Sunlight filters through the canopy in golden beams during the day. But at night, the jungle shifts. Quiet settles in, shadows deepen, and the sounds of wildlife echo through the darkness. It's this vibrant, untamed atmosphere that gives Tulum its magic, where ancient ruins rise from the greenery, and every path feels like the start of an adventure. Perhaps the cats understand this magic. The word cenote comes from the Mayan language meaning sinkhole. These natural wonders vary in size, from small tucked-away openings to vast water-filled caves. What makes them truly fascinating is that they're all interconnected, forming the world's largest underground river network. Cenotes are formed through a process called speleogenesis. Over time, slightly acidic rainwater and seawater slowly dissolve the limestone bedrock beneath the surface. Eventually, the weakened rock collapses in on itself, creating intricate systems of caves and sinkholes. As water continues to flow through these spaces, beautiful formations like stalagmites and stalactites begin to take shape, sculpted by nature over thousands of years. For the ancient Maya, cenotes were more than just beautiful landmarks. They were lifelines. In a region surrounded by salt water, cenotes provided essential fresh water, especially during the long, dry season. Cenotes hold deep spiritual meaning as well. In Mayan mythology, cenotes were considered sacred gateways to the underworld. Offerings to gods and ancestors were often made, by casting them into the crystal clear waters below. Beyond its natural beauty, Tulum holds a rich and fascinating history. Once a vital seaport for the nearby city of Coba, it became one of the last great cities of the Maya civilization. Its stone walls and cliffside temples date back to the 13th century, and the city remained inhabited for decades after the Spanish arrived. Though it was eventually abandoned in the 1500s, Tulum's spirit is still very much alive. Today, it offers a rare chance to walk through ancient history. Tulum stood out among other Mayan cities, not just for its location, perched dramatically above the Caribbean, but also for its role as a major trading hub. During its prime, it bustled with activity, exchanging precious goods like jade and turquoise. Today, there's a peaceful rhythm to Tulum's shoreline that makes it easy to slow down and just take it all in. Tulum's beaches offer clear blue water and soft white sand, simple, natural beauty at its best. Scattered about Tulum, you might notice small, humble structures. These are believed to be offering sites left for the aluxes, mystical beings from Mayan folklore. The aluxes are often described as tiny, elf-like guardians of the jungle, woods, and crops, which are said to protect the natural world, and sometimes play mischievous tricks if not shown proper respect. To keep the alush happy and in harmony with humans, the Maya would leave offerings near places they were believed to dwell, especially around the sacred cenotes. These offerings could be as simple as food or small trinkets, or part of larger, more elaborate ceremonies meant to honor and appease these jungle spirits. Clearly, Tulum creates space for deep transformation, both personally and professionally. But in the end, it's often the people you meet along the way who leave the deepest imprint. Whether it's a heart-opening conversation with a fellow traveler, a shared moment of silence during a sunrise meditation, or laughter over a beachside meal, these connections remind us that healing and growth are rarely solitary journeys. In Tulum, the friendships formed can be just as transformative as the place itself, soulful reminders that we're never truly alone on the path.